I just finished fully restoring this antique Bontems singing birdcage. The entire mechanism was cleaned, lubricated, and adjusted. The bellows are airtight, and I also spent a fair amount of time and I totally refeathered this bird. And what I did is, if you look at the Bontems cages, the birds are feathered so they actually look like real birds. And I spent the extra time to do that with this bird. It's fully wound. Let's hear it play. Bear with me. I'm going to start off on the pause feature. And as you can see, the pause feature works perfectly, which is a great indication of the bellows condition. We'll do one more pause. I'm going to switch to continuous. The bird automates exactly as it should. The bird song plays exactly as it should. It's strong, loud, and hits all of the notes. Yet the all-brass mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. Turn it off, and then to wind it, bear with me. Everything is original. You wind it as such. It's tough to do this with just two hands. I'm going to turn the cage off. In summary, a fully restored antique Bontems, which is French, singing birdcage, and I restored this without any apologies. I also decided, because it just turned out so nice, I did not put some of the foliage on the inside. Some of the cages have it, some don't, and I just decided that the brass perch shined up so nicely and the bird looks so real that I didn't want to take away from that look with a bunch of fake foliage. Take care.